Greetings, beautiful soul. Luna Tuna and I are out on a walk this afternoon on an absolutely spectacularly glorious day where it's warm and sunny and couldn't be prettier. And we're out here today to talk with you about a buzzword that has come up frequently. And the buzzword is woke. And what does woke really mean? Well, woke means by definition to awaken. But it means in this sense, where the word has been used by some in a derogatory fashion, to label others that are different from those that are actually using the word. But it means to awaken in a deeply transformative way. And it inspires us to recognize the interconnectedness of all of life and the deeper truths that lie beneath the surface, and viewing the world through heightened consciousness and awareness and empathy. So to be labeled as woke, some, as I said, would use it as a derogatory term, but for others of us, it actually is a very positive term. And it inspires us for awareness expansion, conscious living, and empathetic connection with others to foster a global community and a sense of unity. So if somebody wants to label me as woke, I'll take it. And if you would like to have a more woke experience in your life, there are three things, excuse me while I navigate my path. There are three things that you can do that can help you out with that every day. And so give this a try. Number one, try some mindful reflection on a global issue. If you're doing a meditation, take some time to think about an issue that is affecting our planet right now, which there's plenty of them, and see what that brings up for you and how you feel about it and how you can project some positivity into that situation. Number two, educate and inform yourself about others that are different than you. Yes, we have diversity everywhere on this planet, but guess what? If you cut any one of us, we all bleed red. So get over that separation and let's go back to unity consciousness. Number three, foster inclusive conversations. Talk to somebody who's a little bit different than you. Listen intently. See what they have to say. You might actually learn something. So this week, as you practice being woke, see if you can have a greater understanding and profound compassion and more meaningful connections in your world. Because remember, there's no finish line. This journey of being woke goes on, and sometimes you get run over by somebody on a bike. Hi. Come here, Luna. Good girl. So wherever you are, I hope this video inspires you to be more woke in your experiences. So thanks for your time, and remember to channel into all that magnificent, look at it, holistic energy that is all around you, because you know it's there. So put it to work for you, and be proud to be woke. It's not a bad thing. Oneness and compassion and empathy for others, that's exactly what we need on this planet at this time. So thank you for your time. We'll see you here again real soon. Enjoy your day. I'm going to enjoy this hike.